Investors often ask that how long this is gonna take to double the amount that has been invested. For example, you are an investor and you have invested 2000. So you want to know that suppose at 10% interest rate, how long this is gonna take to convert your 2000 into 4000. So how long this is gonna take to double the amount. If you invest 5000, you want to know how many years and how many years and how many months this is gonna be 10,000. So to know this, we can use two formulas. One is rule of 72, which can also be called as rule of thumb, and the other one is rule of 69. Now let's start with rule of 72. The formula is very simple. You divide 72 by the interest rate. Suppose you have invested 2000 at 12% interest rate. So you want to know how long this is gonna take to make it 4000. So doubling the amount. Okay, so according to the formula, 72 divided by interest rate, which is 12% given. So the answer is 6 years. You know what, this is divisible, right? We don't get any answer in decimal because 72 is divisible by 12. What if it were not divisible? It's not 6 years, it's 6.2 years or 6.3 years or any other number after decimal. How to do that math and get the accurate result, because we need to know the accurate result. So let's do it. Suppose it's not 12%, it's 10%. Okay, now according to the formula, 72 divided by interest rate, which is 10%. If we divide 72 by 10, we get 7.2 years. We get it, that is 7 years, but 0.2 years, what's that? So we can assume that it should be months. So 7 years, few months. So how many months? We need more accurate answer. So we know that 12 months equal to 1 year. So we will multiply 0.2 by 12 and the result will come in months. So it's 2.4 months. We get it. It's 2 months, but what's 0.4? So it means that 2 months, few days. So now we need to convert it into days. 0.4 multiplied by 30, because 30 days equal to 1 month, right? So we're gonna convert it into days. We get the answer 12 days. So we got what? We got 7 years, 2 months and 12 days. That's the final result. Now if it's not 12 days, it's 12.2 or 12.4 or 12.7, what gonna happen? You don't need to convert it into hours and then minutes and then seconds. This would be enough for this kind of math, like rule of 72 and rule of 69. You just convert it until days, it comes to days. Okay, then it would be enough. If it's 12.7, we can make it 13 days, we can write it. Okay, if it's 12.4, you just write it 12 less approximate amount. Okay, so let's know the rule of 69. Rule of 69's formula is 0.35 plus 69 divided by interest rate. Now 2000 invested at 12% interest rate, it will give you more accurate result than rule of 72 or rule of thumb. Okay, if you need more accurate answer, you can use rule of 69. Now 2000 to 4000, to convert it into 4000, the formula is given 0.35 plus 69 divided by 12%. Okay, if we do the calculation, we get 6.1 years. Now in 6.1 years, your 2000 invested amount is gonna be double. Now we know that how to convert this 6.1 years. Okay, 0.1 multiplied by months, 12 months, right? In a previous rule of thumb, we got it, right? To make it more accurate result, we have to convert this decimal, okay, into months and then into days if it's needed. Okay, so this is all about rule of 72 and rule of 69. I hope you got the answer. It's very easy formula, and I think that there should not be any confusion regarding these maths. If you have any, but you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you got it, please, if it's helpful for you, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.